Kenny Polcari, the man himself. I see green left-hand side, Dow up close to 100. It's gone up 7 days in a row, 7 trading sessions in a row. Maybe today could be the 8th. All right, Kenny, I'm intrigued. You say the magic number for the S&P is 5,262. It's now 5,252. I don't get it. What's the significance of 5253?
5262 is the high that we established, 4 or 5 weeks ago in early April. We hit that level. We tried it. We backed off. We traded all the way back down to intermediate term trend line down at almost 49.67-ish, like that. We bounced around, and now they've taken it back up through the short-term trend line, which was support, was now resistance, up and through. And now we've on the back of this rate cut narrative. And so now they want to test and see if the prior high, which is 52.62, will in fact hold. Will we bust through it? Will we get up there and test it? Are the sellers sitting right there, ready to give the buyers everything they want at that level? So from a chart point of view, technical point of view, that's going to be a key level to watch.
Well, do you think we'll get past that level? And if we do, well,
so
I'll be off to the races.
I think we're going to kiss it and back off. I don't think this time we're going to get through it. It just feels like, once again, it's a little bit stretched. It feels like, once again, they've created this multiple rate cut story on the back of a slightly weaker NFP report and a slightly improving initial jobs claims report yesterday that showed, claims accelerating just a tiny bit. And so they're trying to convince themselves once again that there's going to be a rate cut. Notice they're not calling for June, July, or September anymore. They're just saying now a 2024 cut, which to me suggests that they're now talking November, December. I'm still in the camp it's not happening, but they're in the camp that it is, and they've talked themselves into it. But I think once we hit 52.62, I think there's plenty of supply there, and I do not believe that we're going to get through it at this next time anyway.
I know you wait for a pullback on some big name stocks. Wait for a pullback, then you might buy. Yeah. Are you interested in buying Costco? I ask because you're in Florida. I go to Florida a lot. I love Costco,
Yeah, Costco is a firm name, right? We own it in our core portfolio. It is a name that we like. On a pullback, we would. You know me. On up days, I'm not buying. I'm not chasing. I'm letting it ride. I'm fully invested, so I'm happy to let it ride. It's on the days when we see the pullbacks that we'll put money to work, both personally as well as for the firm, right? We're not chasing anything, but Costco is a core name. It's a name that we've held it, and certainly on any pullback would be a name that we would put more money into.
Yeah, I like Costco. I'm going to probably go there soon too. All right, Kenny, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.